Hello everyone, this is Jebel Sonisha. My register number is URK23CS1119. Today we are going to see about performance analysis on decision tree classification technique. My first question is, should develop a decision tree classification model for the cancer dataset using the scikit-learn. Firstly, we are gonna use the column radius, mean texture, mean perimeter, mean area, mean smoothness, mean compactness, mean concavity, mean concave point, mean symmetry, mean fractional dimension, mean as the independent variables. So what we are gonna do is first, we are giving the value, like we are defining the main values. Next, here we are importing pandas and scikit-learn, giving the data set and reading the data frame, then using functions. We are just replacing space with underscores. Then if the name starts with mean, then we should return name dot replace with mean of like underscore mean. Then we are going to return the name. Then we are going to map it. So using scikit-learn library to map it. Then just uh, printing the requested columns. The next question is, use a target variable as diagnosis, malignant, and Bengen. Um, so here importing pandas, mapping with M for 0, like malignant, and 1 with Bengen. So then we are printing the head values of the Y, which we mapped in. So this is going to be our output. So next question is, encode the categorical value of the target column to numerical value. We are going to encode it. So for it, we are going to map with M with 1 and B with 0. Then we are encoding it, then printing the values. The next question is, divide the data into training 75% and testing 25%. For it, we are importing scikit-learn model selection, test train split. We are training it and then splitting it into 0.25. Random state is 42. Then we are gonna printing it. The training size is going to be 46, 426, 10. The test size is going to be 143, 10. Then we are going to perform the classification with entropy and information gain as decision criteria in decision tree. So for it, we are importing decision tree classifier using the criterion. We are going to use entropy. Random state is going to 42. Then we are fitting the training model. Here we have used decision tree method. Nextly, we are going to analyze the performance of the classifier with various performance measures such as confusion matrix, accuracy, recall, precision, specificity, F-score, receiver operating characteristic, curve, and area under curve scope. So for that, importing the libraries, importing confusion matrix, accuracy score, precision score, recall score, F1 score, ROC score, curve, ROC accurate score, and importing matplotlib to visualize it. Then we are predicting Y with the X test and the probability with X test. Then we are going to find the confusion matrix. Then we are finding matrices like accuracy is equal to accuracy score of test Y test and Y predict. Precision score is of Y test and Y predict. Recall is going to be Y test and recall score of y-test and y-predict. Specificity Tn divided by Tn plus Fp. Then F1 score is equal to F1 score of y-test, y-predict. Then we are going to find uh, area under curve. So for that, we are using ROC score for y-test and y-probability, then printing everything. Then using graph, we are uh, visualizing it. This is going to be our output for it. The TP, the TN value, FP value, the FN value, the accuracy, precision, recall sensitivity value, specificity value, F score value, AUC score, and this is going to be our output. The next question is display the constructed decision tree, scikit-learn tree plot tree method. So here we are you're going to use tree method. So visualizing it in tree plot method. So here we are using plot dot figure of. Then you're giving requested columns class name as B&M filled with true rounded true value. Then we are showing. This is going to be our output. The next question is prune the tree with maximum depth as 357 and tabulate the various TP, TN accuracy, F score, and AUC score obtained. Next. Okay, here we are using function method, then using decision tree classifier to fit it, and we are predicting y and probability. Then we using TP, FF, FN, FP, FT, and giving the confusion state into it, accuracy score, the FN value, the AUC value. Then we are going to append it with the default value. Firstly, we are giving the variable as steps and giving none values. First, the default value is none, then 357. The result is going to be in the result, we are appending every values which we are using the functions, then creating a data frame. So import pandas as PD, then it visualizing it in the tabular format. Thank you.